So in 2018 we did a huge financial investment into Materialize, and basically 4 years ago we started a relationship and collaboration with HP to develop and introduce the UltraSynth TPU01 together with the new HP 5200 printer series. I think what customers need from players in industrialization is security. So I think a very important thing is the seamless supply of material for upscaling, and that's a benefit and a huge expertise that BASF can provide. In the short term, it's very much tools, jigs and fixtures, tubes and pipes for industrial. More in the mid-term, it will be automotive and footwear, as this needs a lot longer time to work out the application and to prepare for the serial production.